Well, hello and welcome to our video. The question we're going to answer today is, if I'm in a collection lawsuit and I just received discovery, what in the world does this mean? Well, discovery in a lawsuit is when the other side is allowed to ask you questions or ask you to produce certain documents. So we have things called requests for production of documents. Then we have things called interrogatories, requests for admissions, and deposition. So let me cover these real quick and then talk about what all this means in a collection case. So if you're getting this in a collection case, it should be that you're in circuit court. So a request for production is give me documents. They may say give me all the credit card statements, or give me your bank account records, or documents that would show what address you lived at, whatever they ask for. So that's a request for production. Interrogatories, think of the word as being similar to interrogation. So they get to interrogate you through written question. So they may say, when did you take out this debt? Or how long have you lived at this address? Or did you get these credit card statements? Whatever it might be. And then you respond to those. So request for production, interrogatories, request for admissions is where they say admit or deny something. Like admit you took out this debt, admit you didn't pay it, admit that we, the plaintiff, now own this debt. Which, little heads up, you don't ever want to admit that. There's no way you could know that. So whatever they ask you for on admissions. And then the final thing is a deposition. Not very common in a collection case, but it does happen. And a deposition is where you sit in a room, lawyer asks you questions, court reporter's taking down all the testimony, and then you respond. So what does all this mean? Well, you have 30 days to respond to requests for production, interrogatories, requests for admissions. If you don't, then you have what's called waived objections, and in the case of admissions, you've admitted it. So what a lot of law firms will do, they'll send out this discovery to you, and kind of buried throughout the discovery will be these little requests for admissions that say, admit that the plaintiff purchased the debt, admit that you owe the plaintiff this money, admit you have no defense to this case. And you get this stuff, and a lot of people will search online and they'll go, I don't have to answer this. Well, if you don't answer it, you've admitted it. And then they hit you with what's called summary judgment. And I think we'll be covering that in our next video. So you definitely want to take this very, very seriously if you're getting discovery, because now you've entered a much more complex world of you've got to answer this stuff, answer it correctly, object to it correctly in a timely manner, because based on how you answer the discovery, you could lose your entire case. And if you don't answer the discovery, you can lose your entire case. So if, and I assume you're living in Alabama watching this, because that's all we're talking about are Alabama collection lawsuits. And if you have questions about you've received discovery, or maybe you're about to receive discovery, or you just want to know about your collection lawsuit, if you don't have a lawyer, give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can contact us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. I appreciate you watching this video, and talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.